How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King, where I catch you guys bottoms and tops in the stock market. I gotta hurry up and go over SINT. They had a reverse split. Everyone was hyped about this sticker, and we just really need to be careful on these penny stocks. Do not get lured in on the pumps and dumps. I've seen it all the time. It's crazy because when you see it pumping, you just don't believe it that it can go down any further. It's just hard to analyze it, and you get your mind stuck into this that you're missing out on trades. If you miss out on a trade, it's totally fine because there is another trade you can get into. So do not worry about that, guys. So this is Reversal Trader King. I try to look for trend reversals. If a stock goes really far up, I'm looking for the top. If it goes really far down, I'm looking for those big reversal candles where I get out before everyone else gets in. And that's how I really stay consistent in the market. We're looking at SINT. It's down 44%. On the day, it's 7.57. The last day it closed at $13.52. Big haircut. They did a reverse split. Let's see what they were doing here. So yeah, a 1 for 200 reverse split. So it's kind of a hefty reverse split. Yeah, as you can see right here, 1 for 200. So how would we trade this stock? A lot of people are just want to get pile in this thing, but we need to take a stance back and look at the system. Let's not throw random darts because we've seen it with SVFM, right? I'll show you another reverse type of play, and look what happened to this one. It had a 1 for 100, not even 1 for 200. It goes really far down, and it starts just straggling down a lot. And that's the same thing we're getting, we have the SINT, but we have a 1 for 200. What I want to see is an actual strategy what's going to happen. If I was going to play a big move down, what I wanted to look at is your EMA 5. I'm starting to revert to this as it's the most crucial thing for a nice ideal gain. Because stocks have to hit your exponential moving average. It doesn't matter what price, does. We just got to time it when it hits it. That's what we got to do. We got to make sure we get precise entries to time it. And if you guys want to have your chart look like this and learn about the exponential averages, learn about average true range and all that stuff, I do have a link in my premium Discord education section. You can join it. The premium Discord is only $6 a month. You're not going to regret it. I'll put the link into the YouTube comments and I'll pin it. And you're going to freaking love this strategy, guys, because you never get caught in the hopium of the upper band touches. When price gets here, it sells off. There's no risk versus reward. You can play the trampoline effect, which I talk a lot about. Price hurry up and hit that EMA 10, and it has to hit that EMA 5, 10, and 20. We know it does, but it does it in an orderly fashion. You take your entries on a big rally down to the EMA 10, and guess what you could have got? $15 all the way to 24. These prices are correlated with the reverse split. Massive gain. And now it hits the 20 and it's just going down. We don't want to play it anymore, right? How we want to play this is based on the EMA 5. This is this purple band. We have a massive move. I want to give this trade a week and a couple days of not hitting the EMA 5. So that when the price goes down, the exponential moving averages follow it, but we know it has to hit the EMA 5. In a very short time frame, as you can see, we hit the upper band and try to hit it, try to make a move higher, but where does price go to in a very short time frame? And that's your EMA 5. That is your conservative target. And I'm going to show you guys my bread and butter plays. We played this before in the Discord. Price was way up in here. This right here is when algos accomplish mission. If you see it at the EMA 20, it's going to be a big move up or a big move down. We don't know, and we don't care to know. That's not our thing because we're not playing it right here. So when it goes down big, a lot of people probably got suckered onto this big move down. Looks very similar, right? We have this big move down, and a lot of people get suckered into on this. Well, then we get another big move down. A lot of people got suckered into this. We ignore this because of time distance, and I'll show you guys why. We don't take the trades until, a week and some days because we want to make sure, one, we have good time distance from the EMA 10. We only take the trades when we have that. And if you guys want to know about time distance, basically, when does the candle have not touched the EMAs? I talked about that in the Discord in a lengthy video. So right in here, we're under the band. We have no touch of EMA 5 in you know, how many days is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1 week. 1, 2, and then 3. That's 1 week and 3 days. Of course, these are pennies. They're a lot more volatile. You never put all your money in one ad. You accumulate them, and you accumulate the dips, and you sell the rips that make sense to the system. Well, look what we have here. We accumulate all these dips, and look what price hits. Your EMA 10 right in here, and your EMA 20 for a massive gain. I love playing that, you know, EMA 5 to the 10 and then the 20. And that's kind of what we're seeing here. Would I take this trade? No. Could it bounce without me? Absolutely. And that I'm totally fine if it does. We just go on and play another trade, right? There's always another thing to get into. So that's what I want to leave you guys with. This system definitely works. As you can see, on the inverse of things, it sells off the upper band, and when it's at the lower band, price jumps up. Just like right in here. You hit this lower band touch, price gets a rejection because it has, you know, these are your buyers. Where does it go to? Your 5 and your 10. It always will go to that in a shorter amount of time frame. So we want to make sure we are following this system and we're paying very close attention to it. So this is SINT. That's my analysis on it. If you were going to play the short-term bounce, I would give it some time distance to your EMA 5 and wait on that. Can it do like an ACAN move? I'm going to show you guys ACAN chart. It had a reverse split, but this one was a 1 for 40. It's not a 1 for 200, but as you can see, it went down, and guess what happens? Bam, it shoots up. It could absolutely do that. No, you know, who's to say, right? But we're trying to look for best risk versus reward. We're not trying to play like a casino where we're randomly throwing darts. You want to follow a system that makes sense. You know, if you're just throwing random darts, you're just hoping to get lucky. This system right here has an over 95% win ratio if you do the bread and butter trades. Your bread and butter trades are buying it near the lower band with time distance to the 10, the 5, 10, and 20. That's your bread and butter trades. You can play momentum trades and buy it at the trampoline effect, which is your EMA 10, but you don't just keep doing it. Because eventually that trampoline effect does get broken, but you get a conservative bounce, making a nice, beautiful win. If you guys want to learn more about the system, you can join the premium Discord. It's only $6 a month. Or 20 cents a day. It's one of the best values you will ever get. It is a beautiful system. It took me over 6 years to finally figure out how to do trend reversals. I like to get in early and I like to sell to the chasers. I don't want to be that person that the stocks is up 100% and I'm finally getting in and then I'm wondering, why did it drop? It's because you're hitting the average true range. They're too high. They have to cool down. If you're going to get in, you get in on the EMAs, which I suggest the trampoline effect, and that's going to be your short-term EMA 10 bounce up. So that's how I do it. There's a lot of things I look at. KDJ, we didn't talk about. But if you want to join, I'll put the link down below into the YouTube comments. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. And when you do join, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. It does not mean you're a subscriber. If you do want to subscribe, please read how to subscribe. It's very nice knowledge here, but I'm going to direct you to it right now. I'll also read how to hashtag avoid scammers. We're growing really fast, guys. We have over 3,000 members in a short amount of time because people love the system. It's cheap, it's affordable, and it works. So people are going to try to impersonate me and try to sell other services. I do not ever friend request you guys, and I never DM you first. What you guys want to do is head over to the premium chat, and I'll opt you in to subscribe. What it is, it's only $6 a month, and if you do it on your computer, it's slightly cheaper to avoid the iOS fee. If you do it on your phone, it will charge a little more than the $6. I'm trying to help you guys out. I want you guys to make lots of money in the stock market so you have financial freedom and you know, go out on vacations and have a nice trading plan. And this system, I promise you guys, if you do it to a T, you will be a profitable trader. And what I'm going to even help you guys out even more, I have RTK swing trades. You can get my actual entries and exits in my RTK swing trades. You can get my education videos where I'm uploading a new one. I try to upload these every couple months, put some new education in here, as you can see, and you can watch. And only you guys get this stuff. RTK Journal is where you get my actual trades with my wins and losses. This is something I had to do. It's a freaking, I don't know why I didn't think about it before, but you guys can see the journal, see my averages, see the stocks I'm in with the wins and losses I have. I hope you guys really enjoy this thing because you never had to ask me what trades I'm in. You just look at the journal. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate it. If you guys liked the video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think about this video. you know, any type of engagement helps the video share to other people. I wanted to do a video on SINT because I know a lot of people are, you know, just can't, or just probably frustrated. They probably got caught up in the hype into this big up move, and it just kept going down and down, and it's just frustrating, right? And you probably didn't know why is it selling off. Why did it correct to this EMA 10? Why did it do a fake bounce here? And then why did it go down? And then, you know, there's a lot to discuss, and I think this strategy will help you guys develop a system and actually be profitable. It's not about making massive money. It's about being consistent in the market. If you're making 5 to 10% here and there, and then your compounds get bigger and bigger, that 5 to 10% is just bigger money for you guys. Don't race the process. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Join the premium Discord. Only $6 a month. I'll see you guys there. Peace out.